my laptop, so I have the software installed on my desktop.
Okay.
Okay, so should I join again with through my desktop, sir?
इस शीट में मैम जो फर्स्ट वाली शीट थी, द प्रैक्टिस फॉर द इन्वेंटर, उसमें किसी ने कुछ बनाया?
Yes, sir. Actually, and in this sheet also I have one doubt, sir. In this
Deepinder, you
drawing,
talk to students. You talk to students. मुझे नहीं पूछना. You talk to the
ओके मैम,
students directly. हाँ हाँ.
ओके ओके,
मैं mute हो गई.
sir, in this drawing, can you see this,
यस,
sir? How to make this rib feature, sir? This one.
we have the model.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. I'll join again through my desktop, sir.
And rest of students, any practice?
Remaining students just respond to the sir what the sir had asking. If you have any doubts regarding the exam or anything, you can just raise your doubts. It is just a interactive session and a doubt clearance session. Already ma'am had said, so you can just clarify your doubts here.
Feel free to talk to your other trainer. Otherwise, your doubts will remain the same. And tomorrow you have the competition. You should be confident when you give a competition, appearing for the competition tomorrow. Hello. Tejesh. Lera Makamiru.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejesh Tirumal Rao.
Yes, ma'am.
Yours is
1 minute. I'll be joining through my desktop, ma'am.
Achha, ठीक है. Meanwhile, Tejesh, you can. You have any doubts or not?
No doubt, ma'am, but the samples that are sent to us are a bit complicated, ma'am. That is what I'm worrying about.
That is
Tejesh,
a
this is
simple
how
drawing.
simple drawing. This is how the competitions are going to be. This is how it is going to be. Tell me one thing. Have you done any project or not? The drawings what we have given yesterday. Have you done any drawing or not? You tell me that.
First PDF is completed, ma'am, and the remaining PDFs are.
Show that to sir, na. Show that to sir, na. What you have done, you show it to sir. This is just only a review session. There is no question answering and everything. If at all you have any doubt, you can talk to sir because tomorrow you have a competition. You should be well prepared without having any doubts or anything. So that's the reason we have arranged this session for you. Tejas, ఇది మీకు advantage అమ్మా ఈ session. Normally ever arrange చేయరు, but we have done so that your doubts will be taken care before you going in for the competition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so show whatever you have done, show it to sir right now. Meanwhile, Tirumal Rao is trying to log into his desktop. So, నువ్వు ఏమైనా చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఉంటే కనుక సార్ కి చూపించు.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, ప్రస్తుతానికి అది ఇన్వెంటరీ ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు, మ్యామ్. అది ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైమ్ టు లోడ్, మ్యామ్. దట్ ఇస్ వై
చెప్పాం కదా నిన్న టుడే ఇస్ డౌట్స్ క్లియరెన్స్ సెషన్ అని చెప్పి. యు షుడ్ బి రెడీ విత్ యువర్ డౌట్స్ ఇఫ్ యు హావ్ ఎనీ. ఆన్ చేయి. We will give you 5 minutes. ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది? 5 minutes పడుతుంది లాగిన్ అయ్యేందుకు. అది ఓపెన్ యువర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
मैम नेक्स्ट सेशन में इससे भी टफ ड्राइंग्स आती हैं जब आपके
एग्जैक्टली
ये तो सिंपल ड्राइंग्स थी, जस्ट ऑल द जस्ट रिव्यू. यदि मैं इनको कंपोनेंट बताऊंगा तो टू डिफिकल्ट टास्क के इनको शुरू कैसे करना है, तो वो ही आगे जो लेवल होगा नेक्स्ट लेवल वो ही वैसा ही है. तो हम उनको इसी तरह से प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं.
Look, you all have to clear the state level, right? Tejas, Vani, మిగతా పిల్లలు లేరమ్మా? మిగతా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏది?
I had already informed again and again, but remaining are not joining. I think
joining. It's their luck what we can do.
It's up to them, no, ma'am, because
it's an interest.
It's the interest. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. तो पंजा सेशन होने के बाद एक बार मुझसे बात कर लेना.
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है.
कल एक बार हम लोग वो एजेंडा पूरा डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कितना तो वाइवा कब रखना है, क्या कैसे करना है.
ठीक है मैम. कल कितने बजे स्टार्ट है वैसे?
10 बजे का है, तो हम लोग 9:45 बजे लॉग इन कर लेंगे.
ओके, तो कितने टाइम तक?
अच्छा पूरे दिन का होगा ना?
मेरे
पूरे
को
दिन का।
कंटिन्यू लॉगिन रहना पड़ेगा?
यस 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 यू हैव
ठीक है मैम।
देखो कंपटीशन है तो आई मीन वहां पे हम लोग फिजिकली नहीं रह रहे हैं बट वर्चुअली हम लोग को ऑनलाइन में रहना है वी हैव टू शेयर द स्क्रीन एज।
ठीक है मैम, वो चलता रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Ma'am, do I need host's permission to join this meeting again?
Yes, I think Vani will give you the permission. Vani,
Okay.
please give the permission.
Yes, ma'am. Already you have the permission. You can just.
Okay, ma'am.
They just system online there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, host will let you in soon and Austin.
Okay, okay, sure.
అది జాయినింగ్ అవుతుంది
Okay, okay.
ఆల్రెడీ.
Vani, you have to give a permission. Two people are waiting in the room.
Yes, ma'am. I had given permission, but it is joining. It is showing like joining.
Okay.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. सर ये वाला ड्राइंग है ना सर, मतलब ये वाला 3D मॉडल, इसमें हमको यहाँ पर रिप देना है सर, लाइक अलोंग दिस प्रोफाइल. सो मतलब वहाँ पर रिप कैसा देना है सर? मतलब अगर मैं टेंजेंसी यूज कर रहा हूँ तो रिप प्रोफाइल मतलब वो काम नहीं कर रहा था सर, इसलिए.
अपनी ड्राइंग को रोल बैक करना इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप. Why choose the base point in diameter 128?
Actually, I started from bottom, sir.
Why?
Like I don't have any reason for that.
You are the engineer, so technically answer तो देना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
Why I choose the top view or bottom view to start this drawing?
Okay. So for that, as these are all concentric ones, and all these are cylindrical bodies, so I thought that starting from the bottom base, and then moreover here we have an offset.
You think that is a base point, कि ये आपका एक बेस है जहां से बॉडी बन रही है.
Yes.
ठीक है, बट मैंने वही कहा ना कि एक छोटी सी मैं बात कहता हूँ हिंदी में ही, जो चीज जैसे दिखती है वैसे बनती नहीं, और जैसे बनती है वैसे दिखती नहीं है. ये हमारा रूल्स है. हमारे रूल में वो चीजें बोली जाती हैं कि जो चीज जैसे दिखती है वैसे बनती नहीं, और जैसे बनती है वैसे दिखती नहीं. और सेकंड चीज आती है,
एक सेकंड रुकिए. अर्थविंद सर ఏం చెప్పారు?
Yes ma'am.
Whatever you ఏది కనిపిస్తుందో అది నిజం కాదు, ఏది నిజం అవుతుందో అది కనిపించదు. That's what he meant to say.
Yes, any model, show next model, show the next model.
So this one,
please roll back.
Again I started from the base, so this one also.
Then again,
then in second step, okay, actually here I used a shared sketch for 2 to 3 different extrusions.
Why use the shear sketch?
So like instead of drawing again and again, so I thought it would be simpler for me to use a shared sketch.
Okay, क्योंकि आपकी जजमेंट हमने इन्हीं बेसिस पे देनी होती है कि आपने ड्राइंग को कैसे चूज किया, किस पॉइंट से आपने उसको रिव्यू किया. तो जजमेंट हमारी उन्हीं ड्राइंग्स के बेसिस पे होगी. मैं वो थोड़े से टिप्स और ट्रिक्स बताता हूँ. मैंने तभी कहा कि मेरे को कोई डाउट नहीं है कि आप मॉडल नहीं बना सकते. आई हैव नो डाउट टू कि आप मॉडल.
रुपेंद्र, बच्चे को थोड़ा सा दूर करो ना, आवाज आ रहा है.
वो बाहर भेजा मैडम,
बाहर भेज दो इसको. हाँ
ठीक है. वो हमें कोई डाउट नहीं है कि आप मॉडल नहीं बना सकते, लेकिन एक एज ए डिजाइनर टू क्रिएट द मॉडल के हमने डायरेक्टली उसी पॉइंट को उठाना है जहां से हमने मॉडल बनाना है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दिखाना मेरे को, नेक्स्ट ड्राइंग।
So another different one. So this
Yes,
one is the gearbox housing.
इसको ओरिएंटेशन देना इसकी जरा। रोल बैक करना जरा इसको इन फर्स्ट स्टेप।
So again, this one I also started from the base.
Base, and this time please edit the feature. First edit the feature.
Which feature, sir?
First one, extrusion one. No, the edit, not a repeat, the edit.
Yes, sir. Here I used a shared sketch for extrusion one.
In that case, your sketch is open body. Both drawings are in not too connected. ये भी हमारी ड्राइंग्स में आता है कि आपके जो ऑब्जेक्ट है एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए 95%.
So, but in the last step, I connected them the both. So here we have only single solid, right?
I understand, but that is the main base is connected to all the body.
Okay, sir. So from the first step itself, we should start using the connected bodies.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Next drawing खोलना जरा.
Next one. This is that.
Roll back करना इसको.
So for this one, I started from side view. And after that, I worked on the base and
second feature.
The second feature base वाला है, मतलब नीचे का.
नीचे वाला.
और इसके बाद यहाँ पे ये रिग्स है ना सर.
आपको कितना टाइम लगा इसको फुली डिफाइन करने में?
सर मतलब पूरा मॉडल बनाने के लिए लाइक 30 मिनट्स ऐसा लगा सर मुझे. मतलब ये मेरा सेकंड वर्जन है सर. ऑलरेडी इसके पहले और एक वाला बनाया था मैंने. तो इसका तो अप्रोच अलग था सर. मतलब मैं नीचे से स्टार्ट किया था इसको. यहाँ पर मुझे मतलब आप देख रहे थे ना सर, यहाँ पर देखने से यहाँ पर एरर आ रहा था मुझे. मतलब प्रोफाइल यहाँ पर कर्व्ड आ रहा था. इसलिए मैं दूसरे वाले में ये फ्रंट वाले से स्टार्ट किया था सर, इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बेस. सो यहाँ पर ये प्रोफाइल ठीक है सर. इसलिए आई दिस वन इज माय सेकंड ड्राइंग.
ड्राइंग में सेकंड चांस मिलेगा ही नहीं आपको.
यस सर. Like after doing first one, I realized that I made a mistake here.
So first time realize क्यों नहीं हुआ?
मतलब first time वाले में मैं नीचे से start कर रहा था.
Because आप ड्राइंग को रीड नहीं करते हैं. आपको लग रहा है कि जो पैरामीटर दिखते हैं उसी से ड्राइंग बन जाएगी. That's all. ठीक है जी. अब मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ. मैम परमिशन देना स्क्रीन शेयर की.
परमिशन.
Yes sir. Yes sir. You have permission.
Okay.
Thirumal Rao. What happens is,
yes,
just now Rupendra sir told you that you have to read the drawing. Suppose you are going for any competitive exam, if at all you are going for any examination, will you go through the question paper first or not? You will go through, right? Because you will take mark whichever questions you get first. But because this is a drawing competition, you have to be very, 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 very alert in this. Until unless you are not alert, you won't understand what drawing there is. This is how a worldwide skills, it will be very, very tricky.
Yes.
ఎండమావులు అంటారు చూసారా, డెజర్ట్స్ ఉంటారు చూసారా, ఎదుగున్న నీళ్ళు ఉన్నాయని అనిపిస్తుంది కానీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే నీళ్ళు ఉండవు. Get my point? అర్థమైందా? So competition, what happens is you think that you can do it, but actually when you are going through the question paper, you have to make sure that you are going through the question paper properly and thoroughly.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the issue is that the issue is in our college level, or faculty or concerned persons means they were never bothered about the approach we used. Only they bothered about did we make the 3D model or not. So,
agree.
Yes,
कॉलेज में ये चीजें नहीं सिखाते.
ये
ड्राइंग का पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट.
सर मतलब
First
हमें
slide.
मतलब कुछ बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस रहते हैं ना सर, मतलब
If
इन्वेंटर
you
सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने के लिए
join
these
the
are the best practice.
mechanical engineering, तो मींस आपके ड्राइंग के फंडामेंटल क्लियर होना जरूरी है।
होना चाहिए,
तो फर्स्ट
exactly.
ऑफ ऑल, जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल,
Exactly.
यू सी माय स्क्रीन।
Yes sir.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे को ये बताओ कि इसमें कौन सा फ्रंट व्यू और कौन सा साइड व्यू है।
So the
If you
right side
read the
one is
model, right side, yes, right side means
I mean the right drawing on the right side is, I think it is the front view.
फ्रंट व्यू। हाउ टू चूज द फ्रंट व्यू, कि यही आपका फ्रंट व्यू है, कैसे डिसाइड किया आपने?
So like the one has the most features, मतलब जिसमें ज्यादा
हाँ,
features हो तो
यही
उसको
आपको इशू आता है कि आपको लगता है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा फीचर होंगे वही आपका फ्रंट व्यू होगा। दिस आर नॉट ए ड्राइंग रूल्स, दैट इज ए जीडीएनटी इज ए रूल नंबर 1 and 2। यू अंडरस्टैंड द जीडीएनटी? आपने पढ़ा होगा जीडीएनटी।
यस सर, मतलब हमारे ड्राइंग क्लास में वही बोले थे सर, अगर मतलब जिस व्यू में सबसे ज्यादा फीचर्स रहेंगे उस व्यू से स्टार्ट कीजिए तो।
जरूरी नहीं है बेटा,
हाँ,
ये जरूरी नहीं है, ये फंडामेंटल्स नहीं बनते हैं।
ओके सर,
Right.
इसमें ये
पूरा
नहीं है कि
कॉलेज
जो
में
आपको
गलत बोल
फ्रंट, वही चीज है, इसलिए वो करेक्शन के लिए मैंने आपको ये गाइडलाइन दी। मैंने तब फर्स्ट टाइम से बोला मेरे को ये दिक्कत नहीं है कि आप बना नहीं सकते, मेरे
यस
को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि आप नहीं बना सकते। आप पूरा दिन लगा के एंड वन कट एंड सेकंड एक्सट्रूड कट प्लेन एंड देन यू क्रिएट द मॉडल। बट मैं चाहता हूं कि विद इन सेकंड मॉडल को बनाना कैसे है, मगर जैसे आपने, मैं जिस पे जजमेंट करूंगा, जजमेंट मेरी उसी पे होगी।
यस
क्लियर? और आपने कैसे चूज किया कि जो राइट साइड है दैट इज ए फ्रंट व्यू? एनी आइडिया? एनी मोर स्टूडेंट्स?
Santosh, Tejesh, Devasurya, please respond. Sir ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు?
बाकी स्टूडेंट्स का क्या रिस्पॉन्स है इसके रिगार्डिंग? दैट इज अ राइट इज अ फ्रंट व्यू and left is a side view.
Rupinder, students
Yes,
are asking to talk to them in English. They can't understand
okay
Hindi.
ma'am. Okay ma'am. Yes, are you sure that is a right view is a front and left view is a side view? And how to judge the right is a front and left is a side view? You read all the 5 views. Yes.
Have you all seen the? Have you all gone through the 5 images mentioned in the screen? Yes or no? Sir is asking you.
One by one, please describe me what is it that is a 5 views. What is a front view? What is a side view? Which one is a full section view inside and full section view in a right?
Tejas, answer the question. Tejas,
Yes ma'am.
sir is asking you a question. He is asking you to describe each. There are 5 drawings in the sheet. So he is asking you to explain all the 5 drawings, which is an elevation, which is a section. చూడండమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు కనుక మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కనుక మీరు సమాధానం చెప్పగలిగితే టుమారో ద కాంపిటీషన్ విల్ బి మచ్ ఈజియర్ ఫర్ యూ, బికాస్ యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ద జడ్జింగ్ పవర్ విచ్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఇస్ వాట్, ఏది ఎలివేషన్, ఏది సెక్షన్, ఏది మీకు ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ ఉంటుంది, ఏది సెక్షనల్ వ్యూ. అవగాహన చాలా చాలా అవసరం. సార్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్. ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్ అవుట్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ యువర్ బెనిఫిట్ ఓన్లీ. రాకపోతే రాలేదని చెప్పండి, హీ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. If you don't know, please raise saying that you don't know this answer. He will explain how and what. Tejas, please open up. Thirumal Rao, Surya, please
yes
open up. Speak up, ma. Speak up. It's
sir,
good for
the
you only.
section view in
For you.
first image,
First image, which one? The left one or the right one or the bottom down two or the single one?
and the second row first image, I think it belongs to the yeah first row
Rupinder, 1
second.
2 3 number likho isko. Rupinder, 1 2 3 likho. They will explain you. Give 1 2 3 nomenclature. एक image का 1 2 3 number देना.
Here 3 belongs to 2 and 4 belongs to 1.
Okay, first of all, please describe the view number 1 and 2.
Okay, so this one I presume it to be side view.
One is a side view. How
Yes.
Yeah, that is a side view.
So like is this the like first projection or third angle projection, sir?
No, but in this drawing, when you draw the drawing, that are not compulsory to in projections in first angle or
Okay,
third
sir.
angle.
So
In
like
this drawing,
actually,
in this
yeah.
drawing, you read this one. This my is a top view. आपको लगा इसमें dimension नहीं है, so that is a just useless drawing. This one is a top view, and this one to top view. Above this top view, that is my front, and this drawing is my front view, and this my is a side view.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
First of all, you see all the drawings and all the parameter. After the read the parameter, you can judge that is a front and that is a side view and that is top view. Clear?
Okay, sir.
रुपिंदर
this
अपन को
top-
एक्सप्लेन करो एलिवेशन कौन सी है, सेक्शन कौन सी है, उनको समझाना है
Yes,
इनको.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. According to this top view, according to this my top view, this my to top view, and this my to see the front. You see this portion in my the front view. That's my to front and this my to side according to this top view. And this my to section view is a this one to section. And this line is a line section. Clear? Why I'm choose the right side is a front view? Why I'm choose the left side is a right side view?
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
And where the starting point? Where the my origin to set the drawing? Yes. Why choose the bottom? Yes, Tejas. Why choose the bottom?
Sir,
We choose that point where the all the dimension are up and down. First of all, you read all the parameters. For example, you understand the 68, you understand the 60, you understand the 65, then a 50, then is a 38, 8, 10 radius, that is a 25, this into diameter 128, and this into 28, 50, 10, then the 8, then the 3. This one again is 38, 70, 40, 38, and 8. Yes, you understand all the parameters?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you understand all the parameter, आपको drawing क्यों नहीं बनी? If you understand all the parameters, that parameter belongs to this one, that parameter belongs to this one, why you create you don't create the drawing? Yes. In this drawing, that my is a center point. आपकी drawing यहाँ से start होगी. In this center point, all the dimensions are up and down. यहाँ से सभी dimension हमारी drive हो रही है. This one is my CG point. Clear? So where the all the dimensions are driving up and down, that my is a origin. For example, मैं इसी पे आपको drawing दिखाता हूँ. You see the my drawing. Without any extra plane, without any cut of the part. And second thing, this is a common point in this drawing. Any common point? The very important point in this drawing, you noticed? Yes, Tejas, you notice that in this drawing, the important part of in this drawing?
తేజస్ చెప్పమ్మా, కామన్ పాయింట్ తెలిసిందా నీకేంటో?
Common origins.
Origin.
Yes.
That is a important part of this drawing. That is not a origin. That is important part of this drawing is 8 mm wall thickness. All the wall thickness are constant in 8 mm. That is a important part. If your company will change, the thickness is 8, we change in the modifier to 7.5, we change the 7.6. How to change in single command to change 8 to 7.5, 8 to 6.5, 8 to 5.5?
We can use shell commands.
There's a shell command. तो आपके दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आया ये पहले? Why the hit?
सर मतलब
इसमें
मैंने क्या किया था ना, मतलब मैंने पहले वो सब रिप दे दिया सर, सो रिप देने से शेल कमांड यूज करने से एरर आ गया ना सर, इसलिए
अभी तो मैंने
वहां
कहा
गलती।
कि आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप इन्हीं चीजों को मैंने जज करना है. वी
ओके
जज ऑन दिस वन टू ड्राइंग, हाउ टू क्रिएट द ड्राइंग, टू स्टेप बाय स्टेप बिल्ड अप, टू स्टेप द स्टेप बिल्ड अप. कि ये नहीं कि आपने इधर से उठाया, इधर से आया, दैट्स ओनली डन 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 डन. नो, listen to step up the one step again to second step and third step. If we change the any model, if change the any parameter, automatic we change in all the drawing. ये नहीं है कि पहले आपने 38 को चेंज किया, देन अगेन वी चेंज द कट पार्ट इन नेक्स्ट 38, देन वी चेंज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इन 128. if you change the 8 wall thickness, directly apply in all the component, all the body. Clear? You see my model.
ये किसका स्क्रीन है?
मेरी ऐसे
ओके
इसलिए मैंने एक दो मॉडल बना के दिखाने थे इसको, इनको क्लियर हो कि हमने उनको जज कैसे करना है और मॉडल कैसे बनाना था.
తేజస్ అర్థమవుతుంది సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు? సంతోష్ సంతోష్ అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And first of all, I choose the front view. And second more important thing, आप जिस व्यू पोर्ट से फर्स्ट ड्राइंग रेडी करते हो उसी व्यू पोर्ट को आप ड्राइंग शीट पे लोगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई विल स्टार्ट द फ्रंट व्यू पोर्ट, देन वी चूज द इन सॉफ्टवेयर इन फ्रंट प्लेन. क्लियर? यस, क्लियर क्लियर.
सर हेलो.
If you choose in drawing, you start with the front viewport, it means front. I will start this drawing in front. So same is a plane used in software.
Yes,
मैं
sir.
क्या बोला रुपेंद्र? क्या बोला दोबारा मुझे
मैंने-
बताना, मैं बताती हूँ
मैंने
बच्चों
वही
को.
वहम कर रहा हूँ कि जो व्यू पोर्ट हम अपनी ड्राइंग में डिसाइड करते हैं, कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि इसको मैंने फ्रंट से बनाना है, तो उसी व्यू पोर्ट को भी मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर पे भी फ्रंट प्लेन ही लेना है. ये नहीं कि उसको टॉप पे बनाना स्टार्ट करना. तो सेम व्यू पोर्ट आपके होने चाहिए. जो आपने ड्राइंग
Okay.
शीट पे रेडी किया था उसी को आपने अपनी सॉफ्टवेयर शीट पे लेना है.
Okay. So, students, so whatever viewport you take in the drawing sheet, in the front view, it has to be the same in the software also. That's what sir is trying to explain. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమైందా? సో
Sir.
మీ డ్రాయింగ్ షీట్ కానీ మీ ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ కానీ మీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో మీరు డ్రాయింగ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏ వ్యూ పోర్ట్ అయితే ఉంటుందో మీకు డ్రాయింగ్ షీట్ లో, అదే వ్యూ పోర్ట్ మీకు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో కూడా ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా?
Sir, how to choose a proper view to start with, sir? So like in this drawing we chose that
That's a good
we
question.
should start with front view. So in few drawings that won't be the case, right, sir? Sir, how to choose our first starting view, sir?
यही तो अपने 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 इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग पढ़ने के, हाउ टू चूज द फ्रंट, हाउ टू चूज द राइट व्यू. हर ड्राइंग जरूरी नहीं कि हर एक कंसेप्ट के साथ हो. इन दिस ड्राइंग वी यूज द फ्रंट व्यू, एंड दिस ड्राइंग वी चूज द टॉप व्यू.
रुपेंद्र, कंपटीशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, बिकॉज हम लोग को टाइम लिमिट होता है यहाँ पे, I mean,
जी.
with respect to the competition, what should
जी.
be the first one they should start with, so that you know they can save the time and then complete the drawing within the time period.
यस यस मैम, इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ कि इनको सॉफ्टवेयर पे पहले कुछ नहीं बनाना, जस्ट रीड ओनली द पैरामीटर. जब तक ये ड्राइंग रीड नहीं करेंगे, चाहे ये बाद में टॉप में बनाए फ्रंट में बनाए, इनको मार्क्स 0 ही मिलेंगे.
So how
चाहे
much
वो 30
time do you think? How
मैं
much
वही
do you
कर रहा
think they should read the
In this-
drawing?
30 मिनट, चाहे 1 आवर आप ड्राइंग को रीड कर लो, देन यू रीड ऑल द पैरामीटर, यू डेवलप द मॉडल इन 5 मिनट्स,
Exactly.
ओनली 5 मिनट्स.
Right.
ठीक है, rather than हम गलतियां करने की बजाय हम डायरेक्टली पॉइंट पे पहुंचेंगे. चाहे आपको 30 मिनट लग जाए, 40 मिनट लग जाए, जस्ट ओनली रीड द ड्राइंग ओनली, नॉट टू सिंगल लाइन ड्रॉ इन सॉफ्टवेयर.
Software.
Just read all the parameters. When you clear all the parameters and all the 3D model create in your mind, directly into your mind you judge that is extrude and this one to extrude is two side. In this case, we side the direction in this side is a two side direction, is a one single. You see my drawing.
Rupinder, एक second. Rupinder, एक second.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, Tejas, Santosh, Tirumal Rao, and Yuva Surya. Sir, ఒకటే చెప్తున్నారు మీ అందరికీను. He is asking you to read the question paper. Take minimum 30 minutes and maximum 1 hour.
Okay.
If you understand the drawing properly, because drawing understand చేసుకోవడం is a very big task, right? So you have to understand the parameters given for that. So once you understand that, then only you start working on the software. Beshak, you open the software and keep the software ready, but don't try to draw the drawings in the software in the first instinct only. మీరు ఫస్ట్ డ్రాయింగ్ ని మొత్తం అంతా ప్రాపర్ గా స్టడీ చేయండి. డ్రాయింగ్ స్టడీ చేయడం వచ్చు కదా మీ అందరికీ? You all know how to read the drawing? Yes or no? Tejas, I want answer na chat kaadu. I'm on my mobile. I can't keep on changing my screen. You have to answer. Unmute yourself and answer my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer my question. Do you all know how to read the question paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
చెప్పండి మరి, why do you have to keep on asking you yes or no, yes or no? Yes ante yes, no ante no. So the guideline, the first guideline is you have to read the question paper properly. You have to read the drawing. Reading the drawing is also one of the biggest tasks. Am I right, Rupinder?
Yes, ma'am.
So you
Without
take minimum
software
30 minutes.
Without
Yeah, sorry.
software, ma'am, मॉडल को क्रिएट करके दिखा सकते हैं.
Hmm.
If you read properly drawing without any software, without any computer, I will create the model.
అర్థమవుతుందా? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और next क्या बताना है रुपेंद्र? What is
Yes,
it you
ma'am.
want to guide them?
जैसे अपने in this drawing we choose the in center point. In this my to center point we calculate the value is 38. Listen to 38 and 8 mm thickness is the wall thickness. The total diameter is 54. So in the my front viewport, we use the front viewport. We create this circle. That circle is 54. And extrusion in one direction is 70 and second direction 38. In this two direction, the origin in my center.
అర్థమైందా సార్ ఏం చెప్పారు?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమైందా సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు?
Yes, ma'am.
And same
రెస్పాండ్
case,
అవ్వండి అమ్మా, రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. లేకపోతే మాకు ఎట్లా ఉందంటే కనుక we're just talking to the walls.
this one.
Please be, this is for your interest only. Maybe what ఆదివారం we are spending time for you is only because we have interest in you. Please, take me competition ఉంది. If anyone gets into this will be a good chance for everyone. Please respond when sir is asking, talk to him. Yes, Rupinder.
And second, we create this one object in angular shape. Most of the students think that we create the angle plane. In that case, the angle plane is not possible to create. In second thought, we create the this one segment, this one to plane with the sketch of this segment. And this you see the front plane. We create in the front plane and this line and apply the all the parameters. And again, we create the on this curved plane and extrusion up to next. The benefit of the up to next, if company to say the change the dimension is 68 to 70, automatic will update in both features. Again, in second feature, we choose the top front plane. We get the front plane. And this my two skeleton. We create first of all, this is my the base body. That my is the base body. In this one to base body, we apply the shell feature. In this shell feature, all the parts will be shell in 8 mm thickness. If company to say the thickness is 7.5 and 7.8, directly to change all the wall thickness to edit. Again, in second step, we extrude in this face. That might is a reference plane. And again, we extrude of this face and this might to base. and this base my is a offset. Again we apply the rib, and this one to again apply the rib. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in second extrusion, instead of using work plane and extrude command, can't we use revolve command, sir, for that?
Why choose the revolve command?
So, like,
Every command is a हर कमांड की क्लासिफिकेशन है. एवरी कमांड वहीं पे यूज होगी जब उसकी क्लासिफिकेशन होगी, जब उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वहां पे अप्लाई होगा. इसलिए कहा कि वहां पे जरूरी नहीं कि रिवॉल्व लगाना है. वो चीजें जो
Yes, sir.
एक्सट्रूड से बन सकती हैं, देन वी यूज एक्सट्रूड. तभी मैंने कहा जो चीज जैसे दिखती है वैसे बनती नहीं, जैसे
सर
बनती है
मतलब
वैसे
कल
दिखती
आपने
नहीं.
बोला था सर, मतलब we should use as much less work planes as possible.
यस.
So, तो अगर हम रिवॉल्व कमांड यूज करेंगे तो मतलब एक वर्क प्लेन का जरूरत नहीं रहेगा ना सर.
अब उसमें चेंजेस कैसे करोगे? वी एडेड द चेंज. अपने मॉडल में मेरे को 68 को 72 करके दिखाओ. We change the 72. In this case, we change just the value is 68, and this one to changes part. You added a sketch. I will edit this sketch just only the 72. I will change the 72 without any interruption. Model will be changed. In that case, your model will be interrupted when you change the dimension.
Okay, sir.
क्लियर? ये चीजें
Yes,
आपको दिमाग में पहले रखनी होगी कि कौन सा मॉडल क्यों स्टार्ट किया, कहां से स्टार्ट किया, किस तरह से स्टार्ट किया. दैट इज इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग. इसलिए कहा सॉफ्टवेयर जस्ट लाइक द हेल्पिंग टूल, जो आपके विजुअलाइजेशन को, आपके आइडिया को जस्ट रिप्रेजेंट. बट ये नहीं कि अब वो आपको लग रहा है कि आपको सॉफ्टवेयर आता है, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. नो, जब तक आपके दिमाग के अंदर वो मॉडल क्रिएट नहीं होगा, you could not draw the model in software. In by hand we start this drawing. मैंने कहा कि इस ड्राइंग को we start this one to drawing. यहाँ पे मैंने एक प्रोजेक्शन सेटअप दिया था, ये लो. In the first drawing, without any software, how to draw this drawing in software, in system. start करो, कैसे बनाओगे इसको? यस. इसको स्टार्ट कहां से करोगे? आई एम ऑडिबल?
yes, sir.
यस.
Yes.
यस.
Can you speak in English, sir?
यस. यस.
दोबारा बोलना, दोबारा बोलो.
हाउ टू ड्रॉ दिस ड्राइंग? आई मार्क माय रेड टिक. हाउ टू ड्रॉ दिस ड्राइंग?
Harjavenda,
Yes, sir.
he's asking how to draw this drawing.
This one is just a sketcher part.
Yes, sir. So like directly from the this current view only, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, can you please repeat the question, sir?
He is
How to
asking,
draw
it's a
this
simple
drawing?
question. How
Okay.
he's
How
asking
to
a simple
draw this
question, how to
drawing?
draw this drawing.
Okay, in a sketcher.
In the sketcher, in whatever. How to draw?
So like we can draw half of the drawing and use mirror command.
Then again,
Sir,
Half of the drawing then?
it's like first of all we can draw half of the drawing and like using basic lines and arcs, and then we can give mirror command.
I not told about the command. I
Okay.
told about the what is the first step to draw and last step to finish the drawing.
First
Okay.
step and last step and drawing start chasing the finish chasing. What is
What
it
is
you
your
need?
first approach and the last approach to complete the drawing? What is the, you use the line, where the line to create the dimension of the line, then again what step to create, then again what step to create, then one next step to create. Yes.
Starting with construction lines. So first of all we can draw the construction lines representing the overall bounds of this drawing.
Okay.
So, and after that, for example, first of all I can draw a construction rectangle with dimensions 100.
Why choose the construction rectangle?
So like it will represent the overall bounds of the drawing, right? So
अभी मैंने कहा आपके दिमाग में एक चीज बैठ जानी चाहिए, जो चीज जैसे दिखती है वैसे बनती नहीं है, जैसे बनती है वैसे दिखती नहीं है. All the dimensions are your parameters given to parameters.
Okay, sir.
According to parameter आप अपने ड्राइंग को रीड किया करो. आप अपने
ठीक है।
दिमाग से कुछ मत चलाओ, कुछ नहीं, just read on the parameters. According to parameter you can use the draw pen. First of all, I will create this drawing. We create this to drawing in this line. We create the line command, and this my to origin, and this point my origin, we create the center line. After that we create this circle, and this circle and this point circle is the both center is coincidence. The center of this circle is a 50 from the bottom to top, and the radius is 20, the 40 diameter. After that we create the line on this quadrant to state direction. Then again we offset a mirror on this one. I draw this drawing in sheet. You understand how to draw the drawings in software. In this we front plane, we choose the front plane. And one more thing, you read more than 2 and 3 dimensions कि आपको बार-बार sheet देखनी ना पड़े. Again we create this line. I will create this line in this segment, and this point go for the coincidence. Again we create this line, and this one to line, we create this line to this segment, and this portion is center line, and this one to symmetry segment, this point and this point about to this one to symmetry, and go for the dimension. This one to dimension is 100. After this 100 body, we create this circle. We create this circle, and again dimension. This point and this dimension is 50, and this one to diameter is 40, and radius is 20. Now again we create this line, this end point to this one to quadrant. Again we create the line, this point to this one to segment. Again trim, we choose a trim tool to trim for this segment. Again mirror, select for this segment about to this segment, and this one to about this axis, to done. Now again we create the line, we select for this point to this one point. Dimension, this point to this one to one dimension is 84, and this one to 84. But in that case, object not a fully defined. In why? In this object, this one to see the object. Again select for this point, and this one to my center point, go for the coincidence.
Sir, you can give tangency for that.
Yes. And this one point. This point and this one point. Clear? Again we create the rectangle, this one to rectangle. Again select for a symmetry object, this one and this one about to this one to symmetry. To easy to define the object, select for this segment is a 40. Again select for this segment, and this segment is 10. Rest of the part to trim. Clear? Yes.
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And start the last drawing, this one too. This one. Yes, where is the center point? कहाँ से आप start करोगे इसको? And first of all, read all the parameters. Object should be fully defined.
The center point would become in middle of the rectangle.
After that,
After that, draw the rectangle.
then again,
give 5 mm radius.
I clear that. That is a rectangle, and then use the fillet command to 5 radius. Again,
Yes, sir. Again, draw the circle with radius 20 and the dimensions from x-axis 30, y-axis 40, sir.
again, please. Then
Again, it should be mirror, sir.
then
So before that, we should be drawing 2 concentric circles, sir. One with 20 dia and another one with 20 radius, sir. And
Anu.
hello.
Yes, bolo.
Yeah. So before giving mirror, I think no, we should be drawing 2 concentric circles.
Okay.
One with 20 mm dia and another with 20
Then
mm radius.
agree. Then
And then after giving mirror, we can draw an arc, like tangent arc.
why choose the arc? Why choose the arc?
We can draw circle also, sir. Tangent circle.
Tangent circle.
Then we can trim, sir.
Then we can trim. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप पहले ना वो चीज ढूंढते हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा इजी है. आप बनाना भी वहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेकिन इन दिस ड्राइंग तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो टारगेट आता है ना, वो ये चीज का होता है कि आपने इजीएस्ट वे को चूज नहीं करना है. जस्ट ननो मैं बाहर ले गया प्लीज. वो तो मम्मा को ले जाओ ले जाओ बाहर. In this plane, we create this center line. I will create the center line. This one and this one. Create the center. Now again, we create the circle. This circle. Again, mirror this one object about to this one. आपकी स्पीड इसी पे डिपेंड करेगी कि आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को कैसे रीड किया. Again, we select for this segment. A mirror about to this one, so again to done. Now again, dimension, we apply the dimension is outer side is 40, is a 20 radius, 40 diameter, and this point and this one point is
40.
This point and this one point dimension is $40. Again, this one point and this one point is 30. And again, we create the circle. Did not use the arc. Arc तभी लगे जब हमारे पास 3 point given होगी. Start and direction, start and radius, and start and angle. When we use the arc command, in that case, we given the 2 tangent and 1 radius. We create this circle. Again, this circle and this circle go for the TNC. Again, this circle and this circle go for the TNC. Rest of the part we trim. We trim rest of the part. Dimension this one to again to 120. Again, in this mirror, select for this segment and this one to object to apply for this segment. Again, we create this circle. We create this circle and this one again is TNC. Now again, this one and this one again for the TNC. Trim, we choose the trim of the part. Again, dimension, this value is 60 radius. Now again, mirror, select for this segment about to this one to segment to apply and done. Again, trim. अब आप जो मर्जी बनाते रहो. मेरा बेस जो रोल था वो कंप्लीट हो. अब उसके अंदर आप we create the center triangle, then fillet, then again a small circle. तो आपके दिमाग में पहले आता है कि हम छोटे चीजें बनाएं जिससे लगे कुछ बन रहा है. मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे कि आपने क्या बनाया, कितने टाइम में बनाया. हम वो सिर्फ जज करते हैं कि आपने सही अप्रोच कैसे की. Clear, Tejas?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So first of all, I will judge your approach. Is the right approach. Yes, इस ड्राइंग को आप कैसे रीड करोगे and start करोगे? How to read this drawing and where the starting point? Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
The above one is the top view, sir.
Why choose the top plane? Why choose not a right plane and side plane? First of
I'm not,
all, clear,
sir, I'm not
clear.
choosing,
First of
sir.
all, clear. First of all, clear. What is the top view? What is the front view? What is the side view?
Top one is the top view, sir.
Yes.
The below of the top view is the side view, sir.
Front view, sir. Below that is front view, and then it's left side view, sir. The
You
right
see,
one,
you ask that is the front and that's the side and this
that
is
one
the
is
top.
top.
So
Yes,
the
sir.
sectional front views.
Yes. But I think this is not a front view.
That is side view, sir.
That is a sectional view, sir.
This is a front full section view.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
एक
Yes,
चीज हम
sir.
देखेंगे आपकी कि आपको how to read the drawing. Just not a parameter, just not a small object. This one to top, front, side. To read that thoroughly and deeply. Clear?
Okay, sir.
This might to top view and this might to front and the side view. Clear? Where the my starting point, where the start the drawing in top and front and side. Please suggest me where I start the drawing to first step in front and top and side.
Sir, top, sir.
Front
Yes.
views. Front
Front.
views.
Any more option?
Side view, sir.
Side view. बस वही बचा था इन्होंने एक side से भी बोल दिया. इस drawing के अंदर in this drawing they have the three choice. You choose the top view to create this also top. You create in also front and you create also in side view. But in previous drawing we have the only choice to create the front view. But in this drawing we create in all side. We create in the top side. We create in the front side and create in the side right side. Clear? If you create the top plane, the section of the top plane, the size of this section, क्या बनाओगे पहले आप? Yes.
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
क्या आप उसको स्टार्ट कहां से करोगे? जब टॉप से लेते हो, how to create the section? Section का size बताओ. Section means first sketch.
Yes, sir. So like we can create section from the mid plane, sir.
Mid plane. You create
That
the
is
center
the
triangle.
front plane, sir. Yes.
You choose the center triangle. Then again, we create the extrusion in
Symmetric extrusions. You can give
extrusion. Then again, I repeat, I choose the front plane one by one. कि जब मैं किसी को ड्राइंग रीड करने बताता हूं तो हम बिना सॉफ्टवेयर से इसको कैसे ड्रॉप करते हैं. दैट इज प्रोसेस दैट first of all you choose the top plane. In this top plane you create the center tangle. In this my center tangle, the origin location in this side, and the center tangle we create the rectangle size is 100 by 70. Clear? Then we choose the feature is extrusion. What is the meaning of extrusion? The definition of extrusion? Yes. Yes, Tejas. What is the definition of extrusion?
So projecting it, extending it to its z-axis, sir. That means
What is the
thickness,
z-axis?
extending the thickness.
like
What is
normal
the
to
z-axis?
that.
Perpendicular to that drawing, sir.
Yes. Anybody or?
It's like adding the solid normal to the face of the drawings.
Normally you say that normal to plane add the material, this called is extrude. And same thing, normal to plane remove the material is the extrude cut. That is the definition. And what is the definition of revolve?
Revolving the sketch along some axis.
About the axis, add the material is called as a revolve. मैं वही चीज बोल रहा हूं जो मैंने प्रैक्टिकल की थी. And the definition of sweep?
Adding material along some path.
Along the path, add the material. In that case, we add the material and remove the material. इसमें हम material add कर रहे हैं, then remove कर रहे हैं. The remove condition is extrude cut, that is a revolve cut, that is a sweep cut, that is a loft cut. And the adding, this is going to extrude, sweep, revolve. Clear? In this case, we apply the rectangle in center tangle, this one to origin 100 by 70, and extrusion along this upper direction is 21. Clear? Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
after that, we apply the fillet command to apply this into fillet, this two faces, and this two faces is 15. Then again, we choose the fillet command, they apply this all the TNC in both sided, apply the radius is 5 radius. Clear? In this model, we check out the all the wall thickness is 2 mm. So we choose the shell command to provide the constant thickness. See my model. In this one segment, we choose a rectangle, center tangle, and this my to origin, and this my to center. All the planes are in my center. Again, we choose the fillet on this segment, and again we fillet of this segment. Now we choose the shell command. We shell on this one. आपको शेल में इशू क्या आ रहा है? आपकी शेल कई बार नहीं होती. मैं अभी आपको क्रिएट करके दिखाता हूं. इन दिस शेल, we create this shell. That's 2 mm. Then again select for this face. अब ये फेस आप सेलेक्ट करें, then again we select the automatic all faces. आपका शेल वहां पे परफॉर्म नहीं होगा. You again the shell is bottom, then again you choose the cut. But in shell we choose the shell command. I untick the automatic face. I select the manual face for this segment is 2 mm. Without any cut used to create this feature. Then again we use the plane. To create this segment with the help of revolve. Without revolve, we could not create this model in extrude cut. Clear?
Yes, sir.
बहुत है आज के लिए इतना कि आपको पहले ड्राइंग्स के पैरामीटर क्लियर होना जरूरी है. यस गायत्री मैम.
Sir,
गायत्री मैम.
sir, I think ma'am is not available.
Okay, now I want to conclude this session.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. For students, please read the all the parameters to properly read the drawings. After
I'm
read
here.
the drawings to create the model.
I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, you're all clear. what is it going to happen tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
సరే
Yes,
ఎస్ అని చెప్పడానికి కూడా అంత ఆలోచించడం తింటే బాబు, ఎస్ అని గట్టిగా చెప్పండి.
yes ma'am.
इसीलिए बेटा आप वो जो आपको मैंने ड्राइंग्स भेजी थी ना बहुत ज्यादा सेक्शन वाले, वो क्रिएट नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि आपने उनको प्रॉपर रीड नहीं किया. हर पैरामीटर एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरलिंक होता है, हमें वो जज करना पड़ता है, हमें वो देखना पड़ता है. तो सो फोकस करो कि आप चाहे 30 मिनट ड्राइंग को दे दो, 1 आवर ड्राइंग को दे दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जब आप उसको डेवलप करना शुरू करें, विद इन द 5 मिनट यू क्रिएट द मॉडल.
Okay sir.
So first read that drawing first. आप इसके लिए ना, yeah, you can take 30 to 1 hour to read the question paper first properly. Because unless you don't understand the drawing, you can't do it in the software. सही ना?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay ना? चलो, let's meet tomorrow morning. And रुपेंद्र कॉल होने के बाद मुझसे अलग से कॉल कर लेना.
ठीक है मैम.
और वाणी,
Ma'am.
after 20 minutes please call me.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है ना?
Okay.
चलो स्टूडेंट्स, all the very best. Let's meet
Okay.
tomorrow morning. Okay, కాస్త ఉన్న
Okay.
టైంలో కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, సార్ చెప్పిన టిప్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి, and you will win the race, not an issue. Okay, this
Thank
is
you.
just a first step. This is just a first step. ఇది అయిన తర్వాత then we can go for the second step also. సరేనా?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, all the very best. Now
Okay.
practice as much as you can tonight, and then tomorrow morning fresh. We'll start. Let's log in by 9:45. Sarina?
No,
Okay.
ma'am. They have to join at 9:30, ma'am.
9:30. Okay. So we will join at 9:45. Is it okay, Vani?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You can
Okay.
just join before 10 minutes also, ma'am. But students.
Okay. ठीक है. Done. ठीक है. चलो, all the very best. Thank you, Rupendra. Thank you, Vani, for arranging this session. And good luck, students. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.
All the best all. Just attend the session before 30 minutes. You can just join by 9:30 because you have to reproduce some of the verification process is there. So that's why.
Right.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Thank you all. Good night.
Night.
All the best.
Good night. Good night. Thanks. Bye.